This video shows the 4 steps to replace your old BGW320 Wi-Fi gateway with your new BGW320 Wi-Fi gateway. This includes unpacking your install box, downloading the free AT&T Smart Home Manager app, moving the cables to the new Wi-Fi gateway, and returning your old Wi-Fi gateway. There are no tools or technicians needed. Let's walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the install box that you've received. First, take your user guide and set it aside and keep it handy. Next, unpack the equipment. You'll see the new Wi-Fi gateway, the SFP module and its accessory tray, and new power module. Please note, you'll lose Wi-Fi signal during the swap, so make sure you're watching this video on your smart device that's connected to the mobile network. Step 2. If you don't already have it, let's download the free AT&T Smart Home Manager app to your smart device. The Smart Home Manager app not only helps you set up your replacement Wi-Fi gateway, but provides several great features to manage your home internet network. The easiest way to download is to use the QR code on the front of the Wi-Fi gateway you just unpacked. Use your smart device to read the QR code to download. Or feel free to go to att.com/smarthomemanager on your smart device and download it from there. Just launch the Smart Home Manager app and sign in using your My AT&T user ID and password. Forgot your user ID or password? No problem. Just select the appropriate link in the app home screen. The Smart Home Manager app will automatically begin helping you set up your new Wi-Fi gateway. Notice your new equipment is shown on your Smart Home Manager screen. Step 3 is moving the cables from your old Wi-Fi gateway to your new Wi-Fi gateway. Take the new Wi-Fi gateway and set it next to your old Wi-Fi gateway with the backs facing toward you. First, unplug the power from your old Wi-Fi gateway from the power outlet. Next, grab the power cable by the connector and remove from the back of the old Wi-Fi gateway. Then set your old power cord aside, as you'll be returning this later. Next, find your white fiber cable with the green ends, going from your fiber jack on the wall to the back of your old Wi-Fi gateway. Gently but firmly hold the cable from the white casing where you see a red dot, and remove the fiber cable from the back of the old Wi-Fi gateway. We'll be inserting this cable into the new Wi-Fi gateway in a moment. Now take your new SFP module and remove and discard the black cap. Line up the red dot on the green fiber cable with the groove of the SFP module. Once aligned, push the cable into the SFP module until it's fully secured. You should hear a click when the cable is locked in. Feel free to pause this video, and you can also refer to the images in the installation guide. Now, find the notch on the side of the SFP opening on the back of your new Wi-Fi gateway. The notch on your Wi-Fi gateway may be on the right or left. Insert the SFP module with the copper connections facing the notch of the SFP opening. Gently but firmly insert the SFP module until fully seated. You'll hear a click, and the SFP module will stick out slightly when it's fully inserted. Move in your remaining cables, such as phone cords or Ethernet cables if you have any, one at a time from the old Wi-Fi gateway to the matching port on the new Wi-Fi gateway. Make sure all connections are snug and secure. Pause this video while you transfer the cables. Then, get the new power cord from your install kit. Now insert your new power cord into a working outlet and the back of the new Wi-Fi gateway. Do not reuse your old power cord. And please note, the manufacturer recommends using a surge protector. When you've completed connecting all of the cables, including the new power cord, the new Wi-Fi gateway will power up. Set your old Wi-Fi gateway and old power cord aside. Do not disconnect the cables or the power cord as it powers up, or you could damage the new Wi-Fi gateway. Now, just follow along with your Smart Home Manager app. At this point, the new Wi-Fi gateway is powering up and a green light should start flashing on the front. If after a few minutes the green light doesn't flash, on the app, select the Green Light Didn't Flash link. Once finished, select the X at the top right of the screen and you'll come back to the previous screen. Select the Next button once the green light blinks. Usually, your new Wi-Fi gateway will automatically begin updating itself with your home Wi-Fi settings. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes for your new Wi-Fi gateway to update its software. However, if you're prompted to manually capture your new Wi-Fi gateway info, you'll see this screen on your Smart Home Manager app. Use your smart device to point the camera at the back of the new Wi-Fi gateway's QR code. Great! You should now see a success message on your app, and you're almost all done. The light on the front of the Wi-Fi gateway should be solid white. If there is some issue, the app will prompt you with how to get more help. Now, the final setup step is if you have voice service through your gateway. This is often called AT&T Phone, and you would have moved over a phone cable in the back. If you do have AT&T Phone, you'll be asked to test your phone now. Let's check your home Wi-Fi system to make sure everything is working correctly. Take any of your Wi-Fi devices that you've previously connected to your home Wi-Fi system. This could be a smart device, could be a tablet, or even a game console. Pause this video, go to the Wi-Fi device, and make sure you can access the new Wi-Fi gateway. If you have any issues with your Wi-Fi devices, just go to the Help section of your Smart Home Manager app and search for Connecting Devices. For general support of your home Wi-Fi network, go to att.com/support. You've done great! You're all done setting up your new Wi-Fi gateway. Finally, step 4. If you were sent return instructions via email, Smart Home Manager, or in the box your new Wi-Fi gateway came in, follow the instructions to return your old Wi-Fi gateway with the old SFP module still in place and power cord to avoid non-return fees. If you need help with your home Wi-Fi network, go to Help in your Smart Home Manager app. For help with your Wi-Fi gateway equipment, go to att.com/BGW320. And if you need more general help with your service or account, just head to att.com/support. That's it. You're all set to enjoy your new Wi-Fi gateway. Thanks for choosing AT&T.